Imagine this. Your company's annual budget submissions are piling up. Spreadsheets are flying across inboxes. Approvals are delayed, executives are frustrated, and projects are left in limbo. Now picture this same workflow streamlined, automated, and intelligently monitored by an AI agent backed by ChatGPT. That's the power of the Budget Intelligence Agent, standard level, designed to take approval chaos and turn it into clarity. Now, let's put this agent into action. Imagine a mid-sized company preparing for its annual budgeting cycle. Departments are submitting requests, executives are buried in approvals, and projects can't move forward without sign-offs. Instead of drowning in emails and spreadsheets, the finance team activates the Budget Intelligence Agent. From here, we'll follow the story step by step, seeing how each feature transforms approval chaos into a clear, intelligent process. The HR department submits its annual budget. Normally, this would vanish into an inbox. But with the Budget Intelligence Agent, the submission instantly appears in a live dashboard. A graph shows where it stands in the approval process, while a table provides the exact status update. The finance team can immediately confirm it's moving forward instead of waiting in silence. Executives log in and no longer sift through endless emails. The agent neatly displays a consolidated view of all pending approvals. A graph highlights the departments with the highest number of submissions, while a table lists every budget awaiting attention. Decision-makers can prioritize faster, with zero confusion. Project Z had multiple revisions, and managers wanted to know why. The agent retrieves the full approval history. A timeline graph shows each decision checkpoint, while the table records who signed off or rejected. This creates transparency, helping the team learn from past approvals and avoid repeating mistakes. Sometimes, executives need to step in. The HR budget, stuck in review, is manually marked as approved. The dashboard updates instantly, graphs and tables reflect the new status across all reporting views. Everyone is aligned in real time, without back-and-forth emails or missed updates. Rejected budgets often get lost in follow-ups. With the agent, they're automatically pulled together into one dashboard. The graph shows which departments face the highest rejection rates, while the table provides a clear list for revision. Teams know exactly what to fix before resubmitting. Audit requirements demand accountability. When the Q2 budget is approved, the agent logs who approved it and when. A graph visualizes the approval path, while the table records every decision-maker. This ensures compliance is never questioned, and the approval trail is always available. Executives can't just click reject and walk away. The agent requires a reason to be entered. That explanation is stored and displayed in both graphs and tables, giving finance teams a clear picture of why revisions are needed. It closes the feedback loop and strengthens decision-making. When multiple smaller budgets pass review, they no longer need to be approved one by one. The agent allows batch approval. Graphs instantly show the spike in approvals, while tables update each project's new status. This saves leaders hours and keeps the workflow moving smoothly. Delays cost money, and leaders want to know where bottlenecks are. The agent measures how long each budget takes from submission to approval. Graphs reveal patterns across departments, while tables detail each project's exact timeline. This data empowers leaders to accelerate slow approvals. The most powerful feature: instant alerts. The moment a budget is rejected, the agent sends a notification. Graphs highlight trends in rejections, while tables show exactly which projects are impacted. Teams no longer find out too late. Everyone is informed in real time, ready to act. So what's the real benefit of the Budget Intelligence Agent? It takes something that's traditionally messy, slow, and frustrating, budget approvals, and turns it into a transparent, accountable, and intelligent workflow. No more delays in projects, no more lost emails, and no more uncertainty for teams waiting on sign-offs. But here's the exciting part: approval workflow is just one of many capabilities. This agent also supports budget input and template for standardized submissions across departments, budget version control so you can track every change without confusion, annual and project budgeting to handle both long-term planning and single projects, cost center breakdown for detailed financial clarity, forecast versus budget comparison to stay ahead of targets, scenario stress testing to simulate financial challenges, variance analysis to budget to spot gaps before they become risks, CapEx/OpEx segmentation for sharper financial strategy. Dashboard summary output that gives executives a clear, real-time overview. Alerts and threshold flags so you're never caught off guard. Multi-currency support for global finance teams. And even a downloadable Excel report for compliance, audits, and presentations. Together, these features mean finance leaders, executives, and project managers have complete visibility and control over their budgets, all in one intelligent system. And the best part? You don't just have access to this agent. You get to try all 33 finance AI agents free for 30 days. From cash flow management, FX exposure, and revenue intelligence to CAPEX optimization and cost structure analysis, the possibilities are endless. Click the link in the description to start your free trial today, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you never miss real case studies, walkthroughs, and tips on how AI can revolutionize your finance operations. The future of finance isn't just about numbers, it's about intelligence. And with the Budget Intelligence Agent, that future starts today.